Do you want to shoot smooth cinematic videos with your smartphone? A smartphone gimbal stabilizer helps you capture steady footage, reducing shakes and jitters. It's a must-have tool for content creators, vloggers, and mobile filmmakers who want professional quality results. If you are looking for the best smartphone gimbal available right now in the market, then here are the top 5 best smartphone gimbals that you can choose undoubtedly. Before we jump in, don't forget to check out the links in the description for the latest deals and exclusive discounts. Let's get started. The 5th product on our list is AOCHUAN Smart XE. If you're looking for a budget-friendly gimbal that doesn't compromise on professional features, the AOCHUAN Smart XE is an excellent choice. This ultra-lightweight, foldable gimbal weighs just 0.77 pounds, making it perfect for content creators who need portability without sacrificing performance. Despite its compact size, the Smart XE is equipped with advanced 7.0 anti-shake technology that ensures buttery smooth video, even when you're filming while walking or capturing high-energy scenes. Whether you're shooting action clips, on-the-go vlogs, or casual family moments, this gimbal keeps your footage stable and clean. One of its standout features is the intelligent tracking system. It uses AI to detect faces, bodies, and objects, allowing it to lock onto subjects in real time. It also supports gesture control, enabling you to start and stop recording or switch modes with a simple hand gesture, ideal for solo vloggers, fitness coaches, and live streamers who need hands-free operation. Lighting is another area where the Smart XE excels. The kit version includes a detachable magnetic RGB fill light with 7 color options and 3 brightness levels. This built-in light ensures you always look well lit and vibrant, whether you're filming indoors or outside in low-light conditions. It also features multiple shooting modes, including pan follow, tilt follow, and lock mode, offering creative freedom to match your vision. Through the AOCHUAN app, you can access advanced shooting functions like Inception mode, slow motion, Hitchcock effect, panorama, and time-lapse. Manual controls are available as well. The integrated control wheel and slider allow you to adjust zoom and focus manually, giving you a level of creative precision similar to DSLR filmmaking right from your smartphone. Its 2,600 mAh battery supports over 10 hours of runtime and fully recharges in about 3.5 hours using USB-C. The Smart XE is compatible with most iPhones and Android smartphones under 7 inches. The kit includes a tripod, USB-C charging cable, and a user manual, making it ready to go straight out of the box. For beginners and budget-conscious creators, the AOCHUAN Smart XE offers serious functionality at an unbeatable price. The 4th place on our list, Hohem iSteady M6 Kit. For serious content creators who need professional-grade stabilization, advanced AI features, and excellent lighting, all in one tool, the Hohem iSteady M6 Kit is a top-tier gimbal that checks every box. At the heart of this gimbal is the powerful iSteady 7.0 anti-shake algorithm, paired with high-torque motors that provide buttery smooth stabilization, even with larger smartphones. It supports devices up to 400 grams, including the latest iPhone, Samsung, and other pro-level smartphones. The standout feature is its magnetic AI vision sensor, which enables gesture-controlled face and body tracking with no need for an app. Just attach the AI module, and it instantly recognizes gestures to start tracking, switch cameras, or shift focus. It's perfect for solo vloggers, YouTubers, or educators who need hands-free camera control during shoots. The gimbal supports 360 degrees unlimited pan rotation, 335 degrees tilt, and a wide roll range, allowing you to capture dynamic movements and cinematic transitions with ease. Whether you're filming fast action, smooth product shots, or creative B-roll, the M6 gives you unmatched freedom. Lighting is another huge win. The built-in CCT RGB fill light offers 360 color options and an adjustable color temperature range of 2,700K to 6,500K. You can fine-tune your lighting to match any environment, ensuring your subjects always look vibrant and professionally lit, even in low-light situations. The OLED display and precision control wheel give you full manual control over focus, zoom, roll rotation, and more. Want to get creative with time-lapse or motion lapse? It's all built in. This level of control rivals DSLR-style rigs right from your smartphone. With a 2,600 mAh battery, you get up to 18 hours of operation, plus the ability to charge your phone on the go. The M6 also features multiple 1/4-inch 20 mounting threads, so you can attach mics, lights, or other accessories effortlessly. Despite its high-end features, the design is still ergonomic and portable, making it easy to carry for travel or daily shoots. If you're serious about mobile filmmaking or content creation, the iSteady M6 kit is a creative powerhouse. The third product on our list is the Insta360 Flow Pro. When intelligent subject tracking is your top priority, the Insta360 Flow Pro is hands down one of the most advanced gimbals available right now. Designed with creators in mind, this gimbal features DeepTrack 3.0 AI technology that brings next-level precision to subject tracking. Whether you're facing the camera, turned away, partially out of frame, or moving rapidly, the Flow Pro intelligently re-identifies and locks onto your face, body, or even your pet. Yes, it can track cats, dogs, and horses. What really sets it apart is its Apple Dock Kit support. This makes it the first gimbal with native compatibility for iPhone's camera and other third-party apps like Zoom, Instagram, and TikTok. No extra app needed. Just mount your phone, and it automatically connects to the native camera app for seamless tracking. The 3-axis stabilization ensures smooth cinematic footage by eliminating shakes and jitters during movement. It's perfect for walk-and-talk content, travel vlogs, or dynamic product videos. Its fully foldable design with quick setup means you're always ready to shoot, and the one-step unfold mechanism makes it even faster to deploy. The gimbal is also loaded with creator-friendly hardware, a built-in tripod, selfie stick, and cold shoe mount for attaching microphones or small lights, turning it into an all-in-one studio setup. It's incredibly compact, yet doesn't compromise on function. Another highlight is the 10-hour battery life, powered by a high-capacity internal battery and NFC one-tap pairing for instant connection. When you're done filming, the Insta360 app offers smart features like Flash Cut, which automatically edits your clips to music beats, saving hours of post-production. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, including iPhone, Samsung, Pixel, and many more. The gimbal also offers 360-degree infinite pan tracking, giving you dynamic creative freedom without limitations. For TikTokers, YouTubers, streamers, or mobile filmmakers who prioritize smart AI tracking and creator-ready features, the Insta360 Flow Pro delivers professional results in a portable, user-friendly package. The second product on our list is the FeiyuTech SCORP Mini 3. When you're a content creator who switches between smartphone, action camera, and mirrorless setups, the FeiyuTech SCORP Mini 3 is a powerhouse built just for you. This multi-device gimbal is constructed from aviation-grade aluminum, offering a perfect blend of strength and portability. Weighing only 787 grams, it supports a payload of up to 1.2 kilograms, making it ideal not just for smartphones, but also for heavier setups like Sony, Canon, or Panasonic mirrorless cameras. What makes this gimbal stand out is its T-shaped handle paired with a suspension grip, allowing for stable, low-angle shots and fatigue-free long shooting sessions. Its 1.3-inch OLED touchscreen is incredibly intuitive, letting you adjust settings and switch modes on the fly without needing to open the app. The SCORP Mini 3 offers multiple stabilization modes, including pan follow, pan tilt follow, FPV, and lock mode. Plus, creative functions like time-lapse, motion-lapse, panorama, and hyperlapse are all built in. Whether you're shooting cinematic footage, dynamic action shots, or vlogs, this gimbal has you covered. Connectivity is also impressive, with Bluetooth and USB-C options that enable remote camera control for ISO, aperture, shutter release, and more. This is a huge plus for hybrid shooters who use both phones and mirrorless systems. The quick-release Arca Swiss plate system makes switching devices super simple, and several 1/4-inch 20 mounting threads allow you to add lights, microphones, or other gear with ease. Battery life is another win here. With a 2,500 mAh battery, the SCORP Mini 3 delivers up to 13 hours of continuous shooting and recharges in just 1.6 hours using a USB-C cable. It even includes a detachable mini tripod for extra shooting stability. FeiyuTech SCORP Mini 3 also supports gesture control and AI tracking. This makes it perfect for vloggers, indie filmmakers, and solo content creators who need touch-free operation. For creators who want one gimbal to handle all their gear, this is the ultimate choice. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product name is DJI Osmo Mobile SE, the best all-round smartphone gimbal right now in the market. It combines world-class stabilization, intelligent tracking, and effortless usability, all at an incredibly competitive price. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, this gimbal gives you the tools to create professional-looking video with ease. The Osmo SE delivers 3-axis stabilization powered by a responsive real-time control algorithm. That means your footage stays smooth and steady, whether you're filming a fast-moving pet, walking through a busy city, or capturing cinematic shots while on vacation. DJI's proprietary Active Track 6.0 ensures subjects remain locked in the frame, even if they're moving unpredictably. It's ideal for vlogging, family moments, action scenes, or social content. Mounting your phone is fast and seamless thanks to the magnetic clamp design. Snap it in, power up, and you're ready to shoot in seconds. Switching between portrait and landscape mode is just as easy, allowing you to adapt to different platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram with one click. The built-in status panel gives quick visual feedback on mode, battery life, and connection status. It's clear, intuitive, and removes the guesswork while filming. Pair it with the DJI Mimo app, and you unlock creative tools like Shot Guides, which offers on-screen prompts and shooting tutorials tailored to your scene. You can even control the gimbal using your Apple Watch, making remote operation effortless. Want pro-style editing with no post-production skills? The Lightcut app offers AI-powered templates to automatically assemble your best clips with music and transitions, perfect for sharing in minutes. Weighing in at just over 350 grams, the Osmo Mobile SE is lightweight, compact, and ergonomic. Its non-slip textured grip makes it comfortable to use during long shoots, and the gimbal is even stain-resistant, making it travel and adventure-ready. It's compatible with nearly all major smartphones, Android and iPhone alike. Widely acclaimed by creators around the world, the Osmo Mobile SE stands out for its unbeatable mix of performance, design, and affordability. If you want a smart, stable, and travel-ready gimbal that consistently delivers professional results without breaking the bank, the DJI Osmo Mobile SE is a clear winner. That's all for our list of the 5 best smartphone gimbals on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.